Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Suhaila binti Yaakob and my group member Zicha will join us. Today we present the lab that we have done. First of all, sorry because I cannot appear my face because the problem with the webcam. Okay. Uh, For the introduction, the single phase is a synchronous motor that has a field which is supplied from DC and armature, although this arrangement can be reserved. Synchronous motors are not self-starting, and the method used to bring them to running speed depend on the size of torque. This is the connection for the experiment, the lab. Before starting the experiment, we need to check the continuity of stator coil and wires or cable that used for the connection. Okay, for the connection, we need to connect 135 volt from AC to the variable AC DC supply. Then from that connect to the pin number 1. For the emitter, we are use 2.5 ampere, and then we need to connect to the pin number 7. For the AC, for the DC also we need to do the connection. We which is need to connect to the brush, where the function of the brush is to conduct electricity to the individual segment as they rotate from brush to brush. This is allow the motor to turn in one direction at a speed determined by the number of windings in the armature. Before run the connection, we need to make sure that all the cable and wire are put in the true connection. Then we will get the result, where the result will appear in our lab report. So for the conclusion, from this experiment, we were able to understand the basic construction of AC single phase, which are two-pole synchronous motor, by making a setup connection for AC supply and DC supply to the AC single phase motor. And we also understand that we were in our introduction, we said that the synchronous motor is not self-starting, so that is why the motor needs to provide with two inputs, which are AC supply to stator winding and DC supply to the rotor. I think that's all from our group. Thank you.